Good morning, friends. So today is Wednesday, and it is monthly expiry because of the holiday tomorrow. And yesterday in evening, NSE declared that the trading day is not stopped today, and trading day will be closed on the Thursday. In the circular, they given this informations, but I think that this is must be bit earlier because lots of capital is working in the market, and lots of theories and thoughts and people emotions are integrated with this market. So NSE are getting so much, I mean, brokerage and all. Still they are, I mean, not providing informations on time. It's not like shop or institute, like you will declare a few hour later that tomorrow is closed or tomorrow is open. So I'm disappointed with NSC decision, but still we have to follow because they are the only body, which financial body, which provide this platform for us to work here under the regulation of SEBI. So I think SEBI also need to get this point, understand this point, and uh, this issue must be eradicated in the future. I think. Let's see what's happening. So now we are on the market here, and we can see that market is opening with gap up. So today is a monthly expiry and market is opening with gap up. Our weeks is very low, I mean record low, and this is something I have a fear that people lose money because of the low momentum. So I'm planning to go by the PE side because monthly expiry market is opening almost 100 point up, and there is a higher possibility that after that the seller, because that will be the new high, because that will be the new high, and we have to understand that the selling pressure will increase. So now market is open, we can see here, friends, and after opening the market, let's see how, oh my god, this is something really. So let's wait, we will wait for this. We are not going to jump in the trade. We will go also for 900 CE, I mean PE. That will very interesting for us. Let's see how this is behaving because, and would like to take some trade here. Uh, let's see how much market is responding and how it is responding. So first candle is showing the bearish momentum will continue. Now we are in the second candle, and it's showing that it will get reversal. So let's wait. We are not going to panic. We will wait for our trade. We will wait for our entry point. We need to understand this. This is the monthly expiry, and it is opened with a gap up, almost 100 point gap up. In this set of market, most of the time, I mean 75% of time, markets go down. The logic behind this I have explained in my earlier videos, that will show you that you will understand by those videos that why it happened when the market open gap up. So the PE work, and when the market open gap down, the CE work, right? So if I will find time in between in this live trading. I will try to explain those concept here. But now we are focusing on this trade here. So I don't find momentum in the both side, neither in the C side, neither in the P side. Even market open at this gap up, and still we are not getting momentum. So we'll wait. We'll wait for our entry. We will not go for this. दरवाजा बंद कर दो ना please. So we will wait for this, and we will not jump in the market because I don't find momentum in the market. I mean, what's to work if there is no momentum? Because if you will see the weeks, that is very low, and if the weeks will be such a low, and even market is at working at the all-time high, and we are still not getting momentum. I mean, that is the different situations, and this is something. I mean, this is something we need to understand here. We are having the lack of momentum in the market, and okay, we will wait for here. I mean, it's not easy. It's not easy to trade in this market, especially for the buyers, and because if there is no momentum in the market, what one can do? I mean, it's look like the people are not aware that the market is open today. That's interesting to see here. प्लीज बंद करो ना दरवाजा. So Mumbai is very cool, and I'm feeling really cold here on the window. Now momentum is generating in the P side, and I would like to take entry, but still I don't find a strong momentum here. Still I don't find momentum here. Look like market is, it shows that market is holding its higher level. It's showed by the P. So the momentum is very slow, and still we are waiting for our trade. So because there is a lack of momentum, and okay, now P side, I see momentum here, and I would like to take entry, On the P side, let's see, wait for this candle to form up, then only entry will be placed here, right? Without confirmations of the candle, please don't enter in the market. That may be like trapping candle. It happen most of the time in the trading. So please don't enter in the trade without confirmation candle. And confirmation candle differ by person to person, traders to traders, because it's a human. I mean, differential. Everybody think differently to identify. That is the benefits, and that is also weakness of this traders community. Because if everyone will walk on the same way, no one will be in the big profit and no one will be in the big loss. But I mean, if people will change their style, they will be like having the margin over each other. Which method is working in this market, which psychology is stronger in the market, and differential in the methods create the, I mean, make the loser or winner in the market. So that's why I called it methods of trading, because everything's, I mean, it's only new method you adopt and trade, that's really work for you and don't work for you. So it's only method in the market to make money. So we need to find the right method in the market. Still market is not giving us momentum here, and we are waiting again and again. I mean, almost 10 minutes down, and we don't find any momentum in the market, and either at P or C side. So we will not do hurry, because money is important. If you will have capital in your account, you will have lots of day to trade. But if you don't have capital, the momentum come front of you and you cannot trade. So keep and save your money first priority for the beginners in that trading. Save your money, preserve your money, so can you will not miss momentum. That is where, see, if you enter at this candle, if you see this candle with a higher level of volume, what happened with us? We are now almost exited the market because the 7 point down here. So this is how market work, and this is very much important to understand. For this is very much important for me. Market look like neither it's going downside or upside, so it will be the sideways market. But still, because yesterday we have seen that how the market bank Nifty have behaved yesterday. So on the this Nifty also we have held. So on this basis we can say that there is a possibility we don't find, I mean, much volume. Let's see, let's hope how market see, I mean, gets momentum today. So momentum. So almost 15 minutes and we don't find momentum in the market. Let's see another 30 minutes what will happen. Otherwise, we will not trade in this first session of the market. What suppose if you want to enter in this market, you have to trade. Which side will be, I mean, more safer or profitable, the probability of profit booking will be high. I mean, profit taking will be high. That is the P side, bearish side, because market is open, gap up, and it's get, getting down with the time. And if you'll see also there is a space for another and approx 60 point. So the PE side trade will be more safer than the C. The C types trade is more aggressive because market is working from the last day, and it is possible that that will continue. The momentum will continue. So now I can see momentum in the CE side, right? So after this confirmation, I would like to enter in the market. Let's hope how this candle is behaving. Let's see how this candle is behaving. I'm not 100% I mean sure on this candle that this will behave properly. See this, friends. I think we should enter in the P side. Okay, battery is low. Assume that if you want to get money or earn money and trade in this setup, what we will do? Still, we are waiting for our entry in the market. I'm sorry. So entry in the trade is still pending, and market is behaving like sleeping, what we call sleeping bull or bear or something else. We need to call it some. Let's say it's sleeping human being. Why to criticize some animal? Let's criticize our community. It will be better. Sometimes we see momentum in the P side, sometimes we see momentum in the C side, and both getting rejected. So meanwhile, I had a cup of tea and I'm ready for what I think I should plan to enter, not enter, plan to enter in the market with this because so after the waiting of almost 20 minutes, entry is placed and we are working on the C side. We will look for the only small profit today because market is not looking that much strong. So we will be lucky if we'll get 10 points in this trade. Let's see how it's behaving. See the volatility, how much volatile it is. But I can see momentum in the market have come, and this momentum, because premium is, I have brought a bit higher premium on the expiry. If you are buying the 85 rupees premium, it is completely risky. So because the momentum is very low, I thought I will enter on the higher premium side. Let's see how market is behaving, and so if you see market, it's like U shape of market. It's come down, made a base at 180,850, and now it's tried to hit those high area. So if it cross the 18,900, so the momentum will really come in the market, but I don't think that will happen easily. So if it is sustaining above 90, that will be a stronger point for market. If it is not sustaining, so our profit smashed by volatility, and now we are in the a small profit, a small loss is going on. Anyway, we will wait for this, how it is reacting to our trade. Volume is not high that much. It started with this, but still we are waiting. If it is working for me or not, let's see. We are down down by good amount of loss now, and that's not bearable. Okay, how fast it is getting rejected here. You can see this candle here. Profits gone, and now it's converting the loss. So because selling is started from the higher level, we don't want to continue in this trade. So now we are in the 1300 loss, 1300 loss. Market is really volatile at the top of the. So heavy raining is happening, and market is still missing the lack of momentum. Let's see why we winter here. We have seen that the very good candle, and it was almost break out the point, and at this point in Nifty also we saw some strong momentum at the 5 minute candle, and we are expecting that this level at least it will touch, but bit early it moved down, and we booked loss. So finally The day is in loss, and I'm not going too much going to be aggressive. I would like to close this day if I don't gain momentum because I don't trust this market anymore for the day. I would like to enter. This will be the last for me on this side because sell off started at from the higher level, so it must sustain. If it don't, it's okay. What can we do? It will be the sideways market and will not try for another trade. This is what we have planned, and this is what we are expecting from the. We are expecting good momentum from the downs for the downside here. Things is that uh, it is opened gapped up. The first candle was a strong bearish. After that, market tried to sustain for the 10 minutes. Another consecutive two 5-minute candle shows that this is going to be the upper side. And again, from the midway of the first candle, the seller start selling the market, and we had to book the losses. So this is the story, and let's look like that you may have to book another loss because this premium is also not responding. So in this case, I would like to exit the market as soon as possible because it will only increase the loss. Sorry. So let's close this trade and close this session for at least this, I mean, first session of the market, because see, this will not go even. Say this how, oh my god, this is bit risky. Let's exit that. No, 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 this is not fair. I made loss in the first two trade, and I have reduced the candle, I mean quantity for the third trade. So hoping that it will not impact badly. The impact I can reduce. Let's see how this is behaving. See this. This is complete sideways. And I mean, suppose if you are full of emotions and full of quantity in this set of market, you will be badly trapped in this market. You will be badly trapped. Believe me. And this is going to hurt like anything, because I mean there is no space to work for this. I mean individual with full of emotions coming the market and wanted to be book profits and all. This setup looks really, I mean, tough. Market opened gap top after that strong bearish candle. After that sustained the market, were showing momentum on the higher side, and the strong bearish candle come in between. And after that, again market is recovered here and try to hit those area that was, I mean, a selling area, because that is the psychological zone of 900. So I mean, for the beginner traders, this is really tough. This is really tough. Even, I mean, for the newcomers, if you are doing intraday trading, sorry. So this is, I mean, really something cannot be predicted. If market will sustain this 90s, 80, 90 point, there will be a strong momentum possible. There will be possibility of a strong momentum will be high. And finally, we are looking in the profit. So that's a good emotion for traders. Will this profit sustain and out? That's the question will be answered by time. But at least we have recovered our loss, and at this stage, make sure that you are not going to lose that much amount. Okay, because once you have recovered your loss, and again you are going for the same amount of loss, this is completely another trapping psychology in the market, right? So at this stage, if that profit goes down, I'm not going to lose another points in this trade, because what I will do, I will book my profit, or I will be with the lower profit like 300, 200. I'm not going to give that much amount in this market. And there is a possibility that market when hit it 18,900, there is a possibility this will be the sellers will start strongly on that point. Let's see how it's behaving. We are waiting, because if you see, this is the W shape of pattern created here, friends. This is, this is, and this is. So this is complete W shape of pattern. So this shows the bullish pattern in the market. So if you understand here what I did, I reduces my quantity in the third trade, because if third trade goes wrong, it will give me low loss, and if goes went, it will cover my part of loss. So this was the strategy we started, right? And now when we can see here the momentum we have got, that is very good, and expecting market to be perform well from here, and that is really very much important for us. With this, I think this respecting the 900 level. So to be safer side, I would think we should take this profit to our home, and we will plan accordingly. If the trade will find trade, we'll come here and trade again. But dragging this trade is not going to be profitable and fruitful for us. So exiting idea will be better. So okay, will not take more than 400 loss here. So that's point if it managed by market or if it hit by mark. I think the loss we have to book here. Okay. So now, because market is very volatile, I think I need to. This is how emotions fail at this point. You can see here, friends. Another side, we have to thinking that the loss should not get bigger, and at same time we are looking at the market showing the good momentum. What should I do? So this is the phase we need to be mindful. This is the phase we need to be mindful here, and that will really help us if we, for the longer term, if we want to learn trading, if you are looking for career in trading. These small point will help you in the longer term. So let's see, this candle is doji candle, bearish doji candle, we can see that point, right? This is sorry, bullish doji candle. So it shows that the buyers are in this premium, and market is still maintaining its 90, 80, 90 level. So both point is positive for me. Let's hope how it's behaving. And also we are the what we wanted loss, that is 400. We are below that level. So the third point is working. And if you have three strong point in hand for a trade, I think we can stay in the trade, right? So I think we should exit this trade because that will take our expected profit. I mean, the loss we did in the earlier trades. Let's see how this premium is behaving, because it's maintaining its. No, this will be really bad if you stay in the trade. So emotions is working here very badly. One side we wanted to reduce our loss, another side we don't want to lose the momentum. No, that's not fair. And I have exited this at this point. So when we will enter again, when we will enter again in this, say this friend, when we will enter again this trade, if it cross the 100 point, right? If it will cross the, and this will be going for the fourth trade. So we are going for, and this time quantity will be bit higher because we are expecting the momentum in this market after the 900. So almost we did for trading for 45 minutes. We did four three trades, and after that trades we are in this 400 loss. The first trade was wrong. The second trade was not, did not perform as we wanted, and third trade performed well. and we booked a good amount of loss recovering profits. It's not profit, it's loss recovering profit, right? So we are looking for the fourth trade if we'll find it, or we will close this trade for this session that will end by the 10:30. So we'll plan for another session because today is expiry. We may get some momentum, we may get some good trades in the last session of this day trading. So if you remember, we are in the 700 rupees profit also. But this is the trading, profit and loss happened. This will be the second day of the loss if you booked it. So see, this is also possible that the market will work in the first candle zone. So if the market don't break the first candle zone, we are not going to enter in the market. So right, and this premium is also a bit higher. So I would like to 18,900 call premium here. Oh my god, that is too cheap. Okay, keep it 850. 850. So if it 850 will be better, yeah. So still market is working, and if you see this, I mean, how with this premium app they have, I mean, it looks. See friends, in this premium, how this have behaved. It went from, and momentum is showing in this premium. We can see some momentum in this premium, and I think this will come down by 50. Okay, so where is this happen? Okay, so it's look like that It will take some time, and I feel that it will be like, because if you see at the P side, friend, I think a small trade can happen here. If you simply want to scalp here, this can give some money, I think. Yes or no? Let's see. Because the momentum is like same as it want to perform. No, we are already lost in this. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So this is fourth trade of the day, and if you remember, friends, I said that we're not going to trade. I think this 56 is possible if this work well, or will not go for the bigger loss in this setup. No, this is something with it trapped. No, I think there is high possibility because that is not sustaining, and this went wrong. So this is fifth trade of the day, and we are again in this same loss. We don't want it. So this is the point where I lost my psychology. I'm looking to enter market more aggressively, and this is where you need to understand. This is where I mean, so almost at that point where the loss was, and this is how we get trapped in the market. So I think I might have closed the trading session, but I did not did that. So sometime P, sometime C, and that did not work for me. So I mean buying here I did mistake. We need to identify that. So market taken rejection from this point, right? So I should only enter when the market will cross the 1995, 895, and in the P side I should only enter when the market will cross is lower level. In between we are not going to work. So this is the mistake where I did, right? So I need to understand this, right? Because see, first I entered in this market here, and this did not really work well. I was on the P side and I booked loss. After that, I was on C side, and again it did not given me good profit. After that, again I entered on the C side, and it's given me good profit. Again, after the two trades happened, that's given me 1300 loss. That was in this two candle. It was also showing P, and it was also showing CE, right? So both signal were in the market. So we are not going to enter in this both setup, right? So okay, we did almost 1 hour of trading here, and I'm expecting the last trade here if I will get. I would like to get another trade, but still I'm confused. Will it work or not? And I have limited time because this session will end at 10:30, and I have to close this trade by train before 10:30. So confusion. If this candle is strong, I mean close very bullish, I would like to enter. If this candle given support for me, this trade 900 was completely lost. 900 was completely not fair for me. I did mistake there, and so that was the today trading mistake. I did trading in the zone, and this trade, why this trading is different, because I have the strong momentum 5 minute candle, and this will definitely go to that 900 level. This is my belief. Again, this is completely not right. This is partially right, because I may wait for the confirmation, but I did not wait for that because I'm on the okay. So again, there is the downside momentum and loss is increasing. Every penny is important, every rupees is important for the newcomers in the market. So we have to be very much clear before. enter in the trade that. And my, I mean, a trading plan was that this candle will work here. This candle will work. Let's hope. I have, I mean, limited time in this trade because I have to, I mean, we need to follow the plan if you want to be successful in the market. If you don't follow the plan, whole day for you trading. I mean, I work in the first session, second session, I mean, third session that start with this 11 o'clock, and again the last session I work that is. So I was expecting that this after this candle there will be at least one candle because this is really very good candle looks to me. So that will there will be at least one candle that will support this candle, I mean, performance, and I will be able to get few more points in the market. Let's see how this is behaving. We are the psychological point that is 900. Will it reject or will it get bounced back? So it will be clear in the few minutes. If it maintain above 60, this premium goes above 60, we can say that there is will be momentum. If it don't, we have to set book the loss and close trading for these sessions. This is what we we are planning. I'm hoping that this will cross those points. I This is my hope only because there is a difference between what you think and what market do, and that difference is a real things, right? I mean, what market is doing is much important than what you are thinking. See this, it went up and get rejected. So one cannot do anything in this setup. So finally, it's look like that I have to book the 2000 loss for the day. I mean for this session, and it's okay. It's happened in the market.